how are you guys doing today? So yeah, I'm 35 weeks pregnant. Unbelievable what I am right now. And I can't wait to meet my baby. Um, it's kicking me right now in my vagina. Ow, and I don't know what's that like. But no. So let's begin. So today I'm 35 weeks and 4 days pregnant. I have started to feel more pressure around my pelvic area. So right now I'm feeling something really strange on my vagina. I don't know what is it like. I don't know what is it. I hope it's a good thing. And like 4 days ago, 5 days ago, I had a white discharge that came out of me. I heard that if you have this white discharge coming out of your vagina, that means you are almost there. Like you will probably have only 2 weeks left to deliver your baby, to go into labor. But I want a full-term pregnancy, which means I want to deliver my baby at 41 weeks pregnant. So I hope I go there. And then I do pee a lot. Yes, I pee a lot. I drink water and I pee. Like, oh my goodness. And then I'm out of breath right now. And then I do speak a lot. Yeah, I speak a lot. Right now I'm going to speak. To speak a lot, and I began to feel contraction when I was around 22 weeks pregnant, like a little bit of it, not too strong, but I'm pretty sure there were contraction, and my back sometimes it hurt me. Yeah, sometimes my back there it hurt me, and yeah, I don't know, something really strange is going in my vagina right now. I don't know what is it. Oh my god, I'm scared a little bit. Oh, you have to hang in there. Oh. Yeah. And then yeah, I do have pregnancy. I still have pregnancy cravings. Like sometimes I feel like eating stuff. Oh yeah. And then I do. Oh, I walk slow. Like I walk really slow now. I can't walk fast anymore. I used to be before pregnancy. I used to walk very fast, but now I can't walk fast anymore. I have to walk slowly. And I found myself working like a penguin, like really. Oh, bueno. And then, I have gained a lot of weight. My boobs have definitely get bigger because before pregnancy I had no boobs. My ass have got really bigger. I hope they stay like that. My husband, he's like, yes, I just hope they stay like that. And then I'm probably not 145 pounds now. I'm guessing because I haven't weighed myself for a while. And I'm taking my prenatal vitamin. Yeah. So yeah, sorry for talking too slow, but I'm not really feeling that way right now. And then I'm really active on the day. But if I'm doing something, I get tired, I get exhausted, and I have found myself being very hungry. Like the other day I was eating a lot. Like if I'm eating something, I eat it very fast. It's like I grab it and I just eat it right away. I know I'm hungry. So yeah. So yeah, it's hard for me to flip from one side to another side when I'm sleeping. Like, yes, it is. Guess what? I'm still going to have my baby shower on my due date. Yes. Oh yeah. I can feel him. My baby's kick. They are stronger. He wants to come out, and I can't wait to meet him. Yes, it's a him. I'm ready to have him. Right, Blessing? Hello, Blessing. So yeah, I'm pretty sure his head is down now. Because those feelings I have on my vagina are very strange. I will post what is on my hospital bag video. And then, sorry, I'm talking really slow. I'm talking like a lazy person. I'm really feeling strange right now. So yeah. And I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Let's move it. So here's my baby at 35 weeks pregnant. Thank you guys for watching. Bye. See you. Love you.